I am a registered nurse ophthalmology scrub nurse based in the UK for more than 2 decades now. But to be real with you, I was working 2 to 3 jobs in one point. Burnout, physically and emotionally drained. Uwi ka lang para matulog, then balik ulit. And the hardest part is watching my kids grow up while I was always at work. Miss school event, miss dinners, miss moment that I can never get back. Then I lost my dad, and that moment changed everything. Doon ko na-realize na hindi pala pwede puro trabaho lang ang buhay. When I found this business, you will not believe that I was not a tech savvy at all. Wala din po akong background sa online business. As in, zero idea talaga. So when I first heard about building something online, my first thought was, hindi ito para sa akin. But I was wrong because I found an online business that helped me start from scratch without the overwhelm and complexity that I was expecting in the beginning. Simple step, guided process, no confusion, and the biggest support, a 24/7 user-friendly training system designed for busy parents, busy mom, and working parents like us. Hindi mo kailangan maging techie expert dito. Hindi mo din kailangan maging perfect. You just need that willingness to start. Fast forward today, from working 3 jobs, I'm now down to bank shift. And more importantly, I have time again. Time for my family, time for myself, time to actually live, not just to work. And if you're watching this right now, maybe nurse ka din, maybe working mom, working parents, maybe pagod ka na rin sa endless cycle, I get you. Because I was you before. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to show you that there is another way. You don't need to leave your profession right away, but you can start building something that gives you option. So come on, click learn more and I'll show you where to start. And when you finally find that courage in your heart to click that learn more button, that might be the moment everything starts to change for you. So go on, take that leap of faith. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. And most especially, do it for your kids. Because your future deserves that chance too. Daghang salamat!
Your next steps. Click the link, sign up at our website, www.jeffreylewigan.com. Watch the workshop today. Connect with us on Facebook.
Disclaimer, results vary. Success depends on individual effort, experience, and market conditions. No guarantees of income or specific outcomes. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Please do your own due diligence before starting any business.